Michaela, where are you? I'm in Jamaica, Mickey. I am in Jamaica. Look at the crab. Say hi, guys. Hi. We'll have at home. It's a KFC there everywhere. Everywhere. Me just go buy some breads. No, we can't even afford the breads. Them. No. Where bread them?
Another bread. And the curl here.
When name?
Solo.
Okay, so yesterday I got my hair done because I'm planning to go to the beach today. And of course I had to stop into the town and get myself a nice juicy beef cheese patty and a peanut punch. I eggnog me that look for, but they never have it, so I'm sick of the peanut punch. So guys, yes, we're going to the beach, so I'm like, you know what, let me just get my hair braided. For the water, the wig not gonna work out there. I don't want to lose my wig in the waves. Okay guys, today we are going to the beach. Oh yeah.
I go to beach.
Down to earth wish. Are they cool?
Is that the coconut?
Yeah.
If you drink out the water and then you script.
You say thank you?
Joe, here.
Get your straw, Joe. Drink it, Joe.
You want one? If you want to
Me and Mickey gonna share. How it tastes, Joe? It tastes good?
Mickey, I like it. Mickey said she don't like it, Lisa.
Okay, me take it. Nice. Oh my goodness, look, I had some lovely mangoes and ackee. I would have loved to buy the ackee, but because we're on our way to the beach, we didn't want to get it, and then we didn't have anywhere to keep it cool, right? So yes, the jelly coconut though was like cool, so because him have it out there and some in the igloo, so it's not a hot jelly coconut we're getting. The water is cool and nice. Love it. Oh yes, welcome to Jamaica. Yes guys, look at this. Today we're at Elsha. Oh yeah, guys, you see the beach? Yeah, we're gonna go in. Let's go take off our stuff. Hi, Blessing. Yeah, you're at the beach. Are you scared? You run, boom back. Joe, where are you?
At Jamaica.
Michaela, where are you?
I'm in Jamaica, Mickey. I am in Jamaica.
Are you okay, Bless? Check your butt, You okay, Joe? Yeah.
I found a seashell.
Oh, don't lose it, okay?
Little seashell.
It's your little seashell. Don't lose it. Let me see yours, Joe.
Wow.
Let me see.
I'll get another one.
Oh, nice. Let me see.
Make sure
Very
you get
nice.
this one.
Mickey, look up here, guys. You'll find lots of seashells, okay?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's such a lovely day to be outside in the sun on the beach. Although the waves were really rough out there today, oh my goodness. But yes, we are loving.
Yes, Sible.
Wait.
On the second.
Oh yes, 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 yes. You can't go no more. Oh, me see him. See him that come up. Yeah, I see him. A crab is out there. Somebody catch the crab, then give me, make me eat him for my dinner.
You catch the crab.
One crab.
Yeah, it's one on there.
Just a
So we came off the beach and we came to order our food. So right now we're just here watching crabs crawl up and down and watch other people fish, do their fishing, catching their fish. Yeah, and just relaxing and chilling and watching the waves right now, waiting on our food. Yeah, look at the crab. Yes, Jenny, where's the fried fish? Tastes good. Say thank you, Mickey.
Thank you.
So yours is coming.
Grandma, yes. Mickey.
I don't like tomatoes.
It's okay.
That's okay, we can take the tomato out. Joe, where's yours? Where's this coming? It's good?
Yeah. You guys like this right? And you like it wonderful.
Mickey, you like it?
No, don't touch me.
It's very nice. And soft. Say hi, guys. Say hi, Grandma. Here. Okay, so the food was wonderful. It was delicious. Absolutely no complaint. But can I break down these courses? Because believe it or not, Michaela's shrimp was the most expensive thing on the table right here. It was $6,500. As there's a God, it was more expensive than the lobster and the fish and everything else that you see on the table. Our bill came to $31,000, just the way you see on the table here. I'm telling you, the food is good, but I think the prices over there is ridiculous because you can get like pepper shrimp for like $300 in the bag. You know, about 300, 500. Then why them fry like a shrimp and charge with someone? Michelle, must you get a Canadian price? No, sir. No, so this is highway robbery.